Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As we have discussed before, how to identify largest and smallest fraction, order of fraction, and also few examples related with this topic. If you haven't seen this video yet, I have shared link in the description box. In this video, I am going to explain decimal fraction and its types. There are two types of decimal fraction. First one is terminating decimal fraction and second one is non-terminating decimal fraction. First we will see what is terminating decimal fraction. What is terminating decimal fraction? These decimal numbers have a finite number of digits after the decimal point. That means the number of digits after the decimal point of these numbers are countable. Let's discuss with example. First example is 1 by 2 which is equal to 0.5, 3 by 5 which is equal to 0.6 and 1 upon 25 which is equal to 0.04 and so on. Here you can see that there are countable number of digits after the decimal points. So these decimal fractions are terminating decimal fractions. In exam, there are some examples which are theory based. Like you will ask to find which fractions are terminating and non-terminating. So how to identify the given examples is either terminating or non-terminating. It's quite easy to find. If you have given the example in the form 1 upon 2 raised to m or 5 raised to n or 1 upon 2 raised to n or 1 upon 5 raised to n. When there will number in the denominator which can be written as power of 2 or 5, those numbers will be terminating decimal fraction. Next we will see what is non-terminating decimal fraction. The non-terminating decimal fractions are the decimal numbers which have infinite number of digits after decimal points. That means the number of digits after the decimal points are uncountable. Let's take example 1 upon 3 which is equal to 0.333 and so on, which can be also written as 0.3 bar. Second example is 2 upon 3 which is equal to 0.666 and so on, which can be also written as 0.6 bar. Here you can see that the number of digits after the decimal points are repeated uncountably. There is no end to these numbers. Next, we will see the examples. As I said before, you will ask to find either given numbers are terminating or non-terminating. Let's discuss these with examples. First example is 8 upon 25. Here you can see that 25 is the square of 5, which can be also written as 8 upon 5 square. Hence, if the numbers in the denominator can be written as the powers of 5 or 2, then such numbers are terminating. The second example is 5 upon 625. 625 can be written as 5 raised to 4, which is also again power of 5, hence this number will be terminating decimal fraction. Let's move to the next example, 3 upon 18. 18 can't be represented in both the powers of 2 or 5, hence this number will non-terminating decimal fraction. Then 5 upon 8. 8 is the cube of 2, hence it can be written as 5 upon 2 cube. Hence this number will terminating decimal fraction. Let's move to the next point. There are again two types of non-terminating decimal fractions. First one is pure recurring non-terminating decimal fraction, and second type is non-recurring non-terminating decimal fraction. The first type I have discussed before. I have shared the link in the description box. Please check this out. Now we will discuss non-recurring non-terminating decimal fraction. Then what is the definition of non-recurring and non-terminating decimal fraction? A non-recurring non-terminating decimal is a number that continues endlessly with no group of digits repeating endlessly, and also decimal of this type cannot be represented as fractions. They are irrational numbers. What are the examples of non-recurring and non-terminating decimal fraction? Pi, which is equal to 22 upon 7. The value of pi is 3.14, which is repeated endlessly. There is no end to this number. And also e, this is also an irrational number which is non-recurring and non-terminating decimal fraction.